Good morning, children. In the previous session, we learned about the what are integers, right? Okay. In the previous classes, you people has done addition and subtraction by using the integers. Okay, that just we will recall it. See, by using the addition and subtraction of integers, we will follow. By using these important points, we will do the addition and subtraction of integers. What are those important points? The first point is add a positive integer. We move to the right side. Okay. Addition of positive integer. We have to move on the number line towards the right side. Just I will explain you that one with the example. See, the first one, example. For example, I have given 3 plus 4. Okay, 3 plus 4. This is the number line. Plus 4. For using the number line, how we will add? First number is 3. See, this is the first number. For that, we have to add 4. This 4 is the positive integer or negative integer? Positive integer. That's why, by using the first rule, which side of the number line we have to move? The right side of the number line we have to move. From 3, we have to move 4 numbers right side. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the answer. Understood? We are moving towards the right side. Clear? See, I am taking one more example. That is minus 1 plus 5. The first number is minus 1. Yes, right? Where is the minus 1 on the number line? Here. Okay, for that, which integer we are adding? Positive integer or negative integer? We are adding the plus 5. Plus 5 means that is positive integer. For any number, you are adding positive integer. We have to move which side on the number line? According to the first point, the right side of number line. Okay, from minus 1 to right side, how many numbers we have to move? 5 numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is our answer? 4. Understood? What is the answer for us? 4. Clear about the first point? We will go to the next point. See, add a negative integer. We move to the left side. Okay. The first point tells about the, for example, for any number we are adding the positive integer. We have to move towards the right side. But instead of that, for any number we are adding the negative integer means we have to move towards the left side. Okay, that also we will see with the example. See, we will see the second point with the example. I have taken an example 4 plus minus 3. Okay, the first number is 4. Where is the 4 on the number line? For this 4, which number we are adding? Positive integer or negative integer? We are adding minus 3. Minus 3 means that is positive integer or negative integer? Negative integer. For any number, we are adding the negative integer. We have to move which side of the right? Which side of the number line? The left side of the number line. According to the second point, what it is saying? For any number, we are adding the negative integer. We have to move towards the left side of the number line. See, how many numbers we have to move left side? From 4 to 3 numbers we have to move left side of the number line. See, from 4 to 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. Okay. What is the answer for us? 1. Okay. What is the answer for us? 1. Clear? Okay, see. See the third point. Subtract a positive integer. We move to the left. Okay. The first 2 points telling about the addition, the next 2 points telling about the subtraction. For example, for any number, we are adding the positive, we are subtracting the positive integer, we have to move left side. We are just opposite. Addition means we are adding the positive integer, we have to move right side. We are subtracting means we have to move left side. Okay, with the example we will see that one. See, I have taken an example, minus 1, minus 2. From the minus 1, which number I am subtracting? 2. 2 is a positive integer. From any number, you are subtracting the positive integer, we have to move on the number line towards the left side. For example, where is the minus 1? This is the minus 1. From minus 1 to, we have to move how many numbers back left side? 1, 2. 2 numbers. What is our answer? Minus 3. Clear? Now the fourth point. Subtract a negative integer, we move to the right side. For example, instead of positive integer, we are subtracting the negative integer, we have to move towards the right side of the number line. See, for example, here I am taking minus 1, here I am taking minus 2. See, in the previous case I have taken the positive integer, here I am taking the negative integer. In case of subtraction from any number, you are subtracting the negative integer, we have to move towards the right side of the number line. Okay. See, the first number is minus 1. From minus 1 to, we have to move 2 numbers right side. Right side means where we will get? 1, 2. What is the answer? 1. Clear? Okay, ma. By using the number line and solving means we will follow those patterns. Instead of using number line, directly we have to solve the addition and subtraction of integers means how we will do. See, for example, I am taking an example, 5 plus 5. This is as usual, you know. Both are positive integers. You can add directly. 10. Yes, right? One more example. For example, 8 minus 6. Both are positive integers. You can subtract it directly. You know this subtraction also. But in other cases, for example, 6 plus minus 2. 6 plus minus 2. How you will solve? This is an addition. Okay, this is an addition. The number first one is positive integer. The next one is negative integer. Okay, both are positive integers means you know to do addition and subtraction. But one is positive integer and the second one is negative integers. In that case, what you will do? This is addition. Okay, addition means first to find out which one is the bigger one. Forget about the sign. Okay, this is positive sign, it is having negative sign. That means this is a positive integer, it is a negative integer. Forget about the signs. In this, which one is the bigger one? 6, right? Which one is the smaller one? 2. What we have to do? Both are having the same sign means as usual we will do addition. Otherwise, both are having different sign means we have to do subtraction. This is in case of addition. This is in case of addition. Both the numbers having different sign, we have to do subtraction. Okay, we have to do subtraction. In case of addition, both the numbers are having different sign. We have to do subtraction. Subtraction. See how you will do subtraction. 6 minus 2 how much? 4. You may get which sign we will get. The bigger number is having which sign? Same sign we will get for the answer also. Clear? The bigger number, which sign it is having? Same sign we will get for the answer also. Clear? Just remember this one. I will continue means again you will get confusion mark. I will send it in the next video. Next other points and all I will send it in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.